Hello, and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA is still pushing higher. It's looking quite interesting. No surprises here, however, because in the last video we were already watching this, not last 2 days, we were already watching the potential for the breakout, and then the first signal that ADA is actually trying to properly reverse to the upside. That was the break above that 99.8 cent level. Now, we did get some signals before, right? We did get the breakout above the upper boundary line of the trend channel. We did get the breakout above these previous swing highs at around 87, 88 cents, which is what I highlighted in the video a couple of days ago, and then also a break above the 91 cent mark here. Those were critical levels to be broken, but that all happened within a price range. What really was a significant signal was a sustained break above the upper boundary line of the corrective price channel, which actually started up here in early in December. So we've been in this correction now for pretty much exactly... Oh no, that's not true. It's not a month, because the correction probably completed here actually. Yeah, that was on the 20th of December. So more or less a little bit more than a couple of weeks, two and a half weeks. And then the thesis was that we could have bottomed there. We saw the wave 1, we saw the wave 2 pullback. We had a support area which was respected, and to be honest, the price held it. And we're now moving higher in what would be wave 3. And this price behavior looks a little bit like a third wave. On the larger time frame, which I covered earlier, not today, yesterday, we discussed the daily chart and everything. If you're interested, check that video out. These scenarios, though, haven't changed, and ADA is still in this larger third wave, which should get to like $1.20 plus. Yeah, that's the idea. And to get there, we need to get some heavy extensions. For example, it looks as if we are still in wave 3 of 3. And it would be good if this internal third wave could reach the $1.08 level before actually attempting to form a top, because then there is a good chance that we actually get to $1.20 plus in the larger degree third wave. That would be important, because if this third wave doesn't even get to 120, then we have to, it will then look a little bit more as if it's not a viable third wave. For now, the parameters that really matter are $1.08 or 1.086, because that will be the next resistance, most likely at least. Yeah. There's also probably going to be some resistance from the previous price action here. Then we've got 1.157 and $1.20, and the 120 level is going to be central. Looking at support, and that's the other, let's say these are the other elements we need to look at. Micro support is located between 92.8 cents and 98 cents. This is important because this micro support area needs to hold in order to keep the upside momentum alive. Any break below 92.8 cents really wouldn't look good now, and would most likely then favor a test of the lower support region down to 64 cents. But for now, the upside momentum remains intact, and the uptrend, remains alive, and it's interesting price action. What I also wanted to show you is the VRVP volume profile, because here you can see what I just mentioned about the, first of all, there was this insufficiency here, so price could move quite freely higher because there was limited resistance, but resistance starts again at around that 1.085 level, $1.08 level. That's where, as I said, Fibonacci resistance starts most likely, and where we have a spike on the VRVP, the volume profile indicator. And that's probably from all this previous chop that happened back in mid-December. That's just a quick update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.